This here from Computer Repair. I just got this SVOD 3 version new programmer from Russia, and I want to show you how easy it is to read a NAND Flash memory. That's just my flash. It's from an old ebook reader. I don't know if you can read the numbers. It's a Samsung model, and the adapter is just a simple adapter from China, and that's how it looks on the screen. It reads the serial number, and now it's reading the flash memory. It's gonna take a while, of course, but my idea is to read the flash, to check for errors, and to save the image again, and probably this will fix the e-reader. It's not a repair that I do in my shop, but just I'm doing it for the experiment. If you like the video, guys, just give me a big thumbs up, and please like and subscribe, and till the next time. Bye, guys.